today is Sunday, the 14th of June. So I'm scheduled to get my mini twist today. I just got this wrap. It's turkey provolone wheat wrap. I haven't been eating bread, but let's see how many carbs this is. This is 49 grams of carbs. I should have looked at that before I got it. But I mean, it's 12 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything all day. How many grams of protein does it have? It has 38 grams of protein. Okay. Damn, I got 3 chicken wings, buffalo wings, and 1 mozzarella stick. I probably shouldn't eat that mozzarella stick. I guess I'm gonna get Starbucks. I'm gonna get a matcha with sugar-free vanilla syrup. I had it before. It was pretty good, so that should help kind of cut down on, you know, any sugar or carbs. But damn. Anyways, the mini twist. So my hair, it actually looks okay on camera right now. But I got this scarf on because this braid out that I did wasn't as good as the last one. Like this side, I don't know if I put too much product in it, but it was very flaky. And I was debating if I should wash my hair again before my hair appointment, but I just cannot bring myself to do it. Like I literally washed my hair on Thursday and my scalp was like itching already. So I'll probably just mention it to her, like, hey, is there any shampoo that you have that, you know, is good for the scalp or whatever? Because I just did not want to spend that much energy on, like, washing my hair when I literally just washed it Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days ago. And that's the other thing. I'm really nervous for these mini twists because I feel like my hair doesn't like a lot of product buildup or something. Like, I don't know. I have a couple of interviews this week. Hopefully something comes out of one of them because it's summertime and I'd rather just get my hair braided than to keep on doing braid outs or like keep on worrying about my hair. So yeah. She actually pushed my appointment back like an hour, so maybe I'll go up there early. I probably will find somewhere to sit down and eat. If you got extra time, I also want to let y'all know my back rows. I wish I would have taken some like before pictures, and I probably should still take some video of pictures of where I'm at as far as like my back rows. They're like almost gone. Like there's like a little bit of a dip on my back, like a little bit, but nothing compared to how it was. So I'm super happy about that. And I even allowed myself to eat rice, like what was it, Friday I ate rice. I didn't eat a lot of it, and I ate potatoes too. So I've been eating carbs again, but I just been watching it. Like this would be the first time that I ate bread in like 3-4 weeks maybe. So, but I don't feel like one day is gonna undo everything that, you know, I built or whatever. I just know tomorrow, like, I have to get back into cooking and eating more vegetables and, you know, don't go crazy with the bread because I really feel like that's helping me. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'm gonna order my Starbucks and get my Starbucks out. Alright. So instead of the sugar-free vanilla syrup, I got the sugar-free caramel syrup. Very good. Sometimes I feel like they should put regular syrup in it because it's just too good, actually. But I'm gonna finish eating and then I'm gonna get on the road. I don't think I'm gonna eat these wings, but I figured I'd just get them like as a snack for if I get hungry later, because this style is probably gonna take like 5 hours. So at least that's what it said on the website. So we'll see. Otherwise, I kind of feel like I was just being greedy. But I'll eat and pick back up probably once I get to the shop. Love my hair. Like, I'm actually in love with my hair. Like, it's so cute. Oh my god, I didn't expect myself to like it this much. I was just kind of like, you know, I don't want to add hair to my hair. Like, this is giving me, is it Senegalese? No. What's the other Jones that it's some Jones that we used to get all the time in middle school. What's the name of them Jones? Dang, I can't think of the name of them, but like this remind me of like some twists that we used to get like with added hair like in middle school. I'm gonna think of the name and I'm gonna double back. The girl who did my hair, her name is Samaya. This is my second time coming to her. The other time I just came to her to get a trim, but she's super sweet. She plays really good music. She's very professional. So I'm gonna like put her Instagram tag somewhere on the video, whatever. I feel like I should tag something on YouTube, on Instagram, because I don't think she do YouTube or whatever. But I'm so happy. Like, I can really see where the heat damage is, but like I feel like it's not bad. And like I'm just so happy. Like, they so, oh my god, like they just bouncy. They so bouncy. Like, I don't even know. And they just look so healthy. I feel like a different person. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I got this done. Like, I needed this. But yeah, I'm gonna go head back to my side of town or whatever. I can't wait to see what my mom needs. Like, she gonna love these. I'm hockey. I be thinking like I should be a dreadhead because I hate doing my hair. Not saying that like you don't still gotta do your hair with dreads, but I feel like dreads be looking cute like when they kind of fuzzy a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could wear dreads like and let them like rock. You know what I'm saying? That's another reason why I got these, because I feel like even once like these get like a little fuzzy, like I probably would still like them or whatever. But she did a great job. I'm so happy. Yes. Oh my god, I can't stare at myself all day. I could, but like let me go home, y'all. I should add, this is GloWell hair spa. It's super cute in there. Hopefully I got enough good footage. It's black owned, so okay. Yeah, I'm so happy that I have like a place, like somebody that I feel like comfortable with. She doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. Like, I've had so many, you know, experiences with service providers and stuff like that. I feel like this is the first like hair salon that I've gone to as an adult. Like, most service providers that I be going to, like even a lot of the nail techs that I be going to be like in-home nail techs, and there's nothing against them or whatever, but I don't know. Anyway, she's great. All right, for real, let me go.